Welcome, it's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys, here in downtown Asheville. My happy place, my mountains. It's a good life, guys. I'm excited. I get to announce this week's pouring challenge for acrylic pouring and fluid art Facebook page. Now, the way it works is I challenge you to do one of my techniques, and the technique that I choose today is the landscape swiping. It's easy breezy, gotta just get some good colors going on and swipe the heck out of it. Today we're going to be doing my mountains here in Asheville during their sunset. My balcony looks out over these mountains and it faces towards the sunset, and it's one of my favorite times of the day. So pay attention, going to give you some good instructions and get busy with your challenge, guys. Thanks for joining me here. Let's get down to the canvas. Hello, painting peeps, and welcome back. We are working today on a 16 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, and we've got some yummy colors to do our landscape swiping with. Now, something that's really important is your base coat color. We're going to be doing some mountains on the bottom part of this canvas and our sunset on the top. So my mountains are kind of dark and smoky and dreamy because I look out to the Blue Ridge Mountains here in Asheville. So I definitely don't want a white base coat color because as I swipe, my paper towel is going to bring up some of that base coat. So I've chosen a dark base coat color for the mountain area. And then for the sunset area, I as well don't want white popping through. So I have chosen kind of a golden, coppery, nickel azo kind of base coat to put down for my sunset area. So as I swipe additional colors on top of it, I don't bring up any of unwanted color like a white. So I hope that helps. Your paints need to be relatively thin. My swiping paints leave almost no trace when the paint rolls off the popsicle stick into the paint below. My pouring medium for my swipes is 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden GAC 800, and a healthy squeeze of, 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a healthy squirt of GAC 800 in all of my paints. Now, a question I get asked all the time is, Kathleen, is your base coat paint the same consistency as your swiping colors? And the answer is yes. If I put these colors all on a paper towel and did a drip test, they would all run the same. Now, it's not rocket science, guys. If one's a little bit thicker than the other, that's okay. It will still work. What do we swipe with? Something I'm very adamant about, guys. Bounty paper towels. They have the correct weight to them once they're wet. It's a heavier paper towel. And I like that for my swipes. I lay them all in a stack. I squeeze at the bottom inch some water, flip them over, put a little bit more water from my water bottle down at the bottom, and then I just keep them stacked next to me, and I cut them into different sizes. So guys, I'm excited about this painting. I'm excited about this challenge, and I'm more excited to see what it is that you guys do. Let's talk about our colors. These are our base coat colors, and they are my slop bucket paint. What does that mean is when I'm done working with some colors and I have a few leftovers, I pour them all into different buckets. This is my coppery gold. This is a combination of some golds, some nickel azo golds, some quinacridone nickel azo gold. Did I just say the Q word? Just all of the colors that mesh with this. And then what I do is I strain it just prior to using it, doctor it up a little bit, sometimes add some additional GAC 800 or water to it. Another slop bucket paint. This is purples and a little bit of black. So this is going to be part of our mountains. And then I just have some Artist Loft soft body in the black, all the same consistency. Leaves very little trace when the paint hits the paint below. Our swiping colors are yummy. Let's start off with this. This will accent our sunset a little bit. That is Artist Loft Iridescent Medium. Once again, all these paints are mixed with the same pouring medium. Right here, a little bit of a darker part of our sky and our mountain. That is Golden Burnt Umber Light in the fluid paints. Now, this took absolutely no water in mixing it up because it was already fluid. Right here is yummy goodness. That is TLP, this little piggy, and that is their Harvest Gold. Yummy, yummy goodness. Another beautiful gold for our sunset, Sargent's Art Acrylics, and that is their gold. Right here, I don't have the bottle because I used the last of it. This is just golden fluids in the iridescent copper. Right here, another yummy color for our sky and our mountains. That is Modern Masters, and that is their antique bronze. Right here is just more of our slop bucket coppers and nickel azo golds. Right here is more of our slop bucket purple paint. Right here, let's take a look at this. This is the first time I am using this. Can you see that wonderful, wonderful shimmer, guys? That is TLP, this little piggy, and that is their cinnamon, and I'm excited about this. This was hidden behind a few other paints, and when I discover it, my heart sang a little bit, guys. Love my TLPs. Now this is mixed just a little bit different. I put the pigment in the cup and then I add a squeeze or two of Josanya Glass varnish to disperse and kind of melt the pigment. And then I slowly add my pouring medium to it, just like these other paints. Now this one's a little bit different. This is a little bit thicker, and the reason I want it a little bit thicker is when I swipe across it, it won't move as much, and this is going to be one of my accents for the sunset area. That is Folk Art Treasure Gold, and that is their Fire Opal. All the paints will be listed in the description box, guys. I'm excited to get started. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
That was fun, but this is not done. I'm going to let it dry for about 3 or 4 days, and then I'm going to come back in and I am going to add a little bit more gold in through here to represent the sun. I'll probably brush paint that, and then I'm going to do some dry swiping down here in the mountains to kind of define the mountains just a little bit more. So this is phase 1, guys, of Landscape Swiping 101, one of the classes I'll be teaching at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas this July. So all you peeps out there, join the challenge at Acrylic Pouring and Fluid Art. Show us your pieces, and then I believe that the winner gets some special gifts. So I'm excited about that, guys. Thanks for joining me. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and happy painting journey to each and every one of you. Bye now.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with